Welcome to T1 Academy. In our T1 Academy, we are going to start a reasoning series, students. Already in our YouTube channel, we have already uploaded the quant videos. Please do watch all those videos, students. It will be very useful for you for all the competitive examinations. The entire quant series was already there, and now we are starting the reasoning series freshly. Now we are going to discuss the entire reasoning concepts under this reasoning series, students. So the first concept in this reasoning is alphabet test. We will start discussing from the concept that is alphabet test, and from here onwards we are going to discuss everything based on the alphabets. Okay, now see here, students. When it comes to this alphabet test, sir, what actually the alphabet test is? In our reasoning, there will be many concepts which are related to these alphabets, like the numbers, alphabet test. This is the first one. Okay, this is alphabet test, one concept. The other one is coding, decoding, coding and decoding, and the other one is letter series or else series. To be precise, we can call it as series. So these three concepts, alphabets, coding and decoding, letter series, these three concepts depends on the alphabets, English alphabets, and how the questions will be there and how we need to learn. All these things we will see under this alphabets concept. So this alphabets concept is the basic thing for the reasoning. We should know how the things will change based on their positions and everything. Okay, and before that, what we should know is, we should learn here is their place values. Alphabets place values. Sir, what is meant by this place value, sir? What is this place value according to this alphabet concept? Means very simple. In English, how many alphabets do we have overall? 26. Yes, we know that we have 26 alphabets. A to Z. A to Z, we have 26 alphabets. Now, first of all, what is meant by this place value, sir? The place value is nothing but their position from left side. Here, students, we should know the place values from left to right and right to left. Then only we can solve the questions effectively. Sir, how? We will try to remember the place values from left to right first initially, and that from then based on that we will see the place values from right to left later. Okay. Now, that means what? I will give the place value for A as 1, B as 2, C as 3, and so on up to Z as 26. And based on this we will have the different questions based on these place values and everything. So before going to the questions on these place values and everything, the first important thing we should know that how we should remember the place values of alphabets. How we should remember the place value. That means if I suddenly ask what is the place value of Q, you should tell that it is 17th alphabet, sir. If I suddenly ask you what is the place value of W, it is 23rd alphabet. If I say what is the place value for N, you should say it as 14. That means you should be very quick in telling the place values and as well as writing. Why? Because what happens generally in the examinations is, most of the students after going to the examination hall, nowadays all are computer based tests only, CBT tests. So what happens there? They will give us a rough sheet. What they will do is they will start writing the alphabets A, B, C, D, and they will give the number below that, and they will try to solve based on this one. What happens is, if you each and every time go and check in this rough sheet that whatever you have written, it will waste at least some 1 minute of time overall, as an overall thing. So what happens here is, in competitive examinations, that 1 minute will also play as an important role. Okay, so we should not waste our time by writing all these things on the rough sheet, and then when the problem comes. See, we don't know when the problem is based on alphabets or coding and decoding will be there in the examination. It may be the first question or it may be the 50th question. By the time you come to the 50th question, what happens is, you might have filled the entire rough sheet where you have written these alphabets in an orderly manner. It might be completely filled, and you might have turned the page also. Then in order to locate the place values, even each and every time if you rotate the paper here and there and then try to solve it, definitely it will waste a lot of time. So to avoid such situations in the examination hall, definitely we should know the place values of alphabets directly. You should remember it at any cost. Okay, now we will see how to remember that place values accordingly. Now see here, students, I have written the alphabets from A to Z. A to Z, all the alphabets are written here. Now see here, we know that A is the first alphabet. That is very common thing. See here, if you observe carefully, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there any necessity to remember them? Generally also you can say it. What is the place value for C means third alphabet. What is the place value for D means fourth. Like this you will tell it directly. Why? Because A, B, C, D are the first four. Okay, good sir. Next, similarly Z. Is there any necessary to remember the place value for Z? No. Why? Because Z is the 26th alphabet. That is the last alphabet. Anyway you will remember it. No need to specially remember that Z is 26th alphabet or learn any shortcut for it. For these 5 alphabets, you will remember it by default. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the first and Z is the last one, that is 26. Okay sir, good, superb. Out of 21, we will remember 5 in this manner. Okay, fine. Next, come to the remaining. So, we will see the multiples of 5. Remember E-Joti. 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 These are what? Multiples of 5. These are what? Multiples of 5. Please observe carefully. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These are what? Multiples of 5. E-Joti, in E-Joti we will have the multiples of 5, or even for T you can remember it as T20 cricket match. For T you can remember it as T20 cricket match. It is up to you students. Okay, in E-Joti we will have all the multiples of 5. 5. Okay sir, 5 and 5, 10 are done. 5 and 5, 10 are done. We are left with more how many students? 16 sir. Then how we will remember this 16? Now please observe here students, we will try to remember them by some visualization or some other methods. Now we will try to see it. See here students, if you observe carefully, total alphabets are how many in number for us? Total alphabets are how many in number? 26 sir. What is middle? Middle means what? Half, right? That is 13. So M for 13. You remember it as middle. Actually in 26 alphabets we don't have the middle one. Can we tell what is the middle one in 26 alphabets? No. But for our thing, what we will do is 26 by 2. That means half, and middle we will consider it as M13. M13. And when we celebrate the Children's Day students, we celebrate Children's Day on November 14th. Right? So N for 14. Remember it as Children's Day. When we celebrate the Children's Day, we celebrate on November 14. So N14. November 14. N14. Okay, sir, good. Now what is the minimum age to write the UPSC examination? UPSC examination, what is the minimum age students? 21 years. So that means U is for 21. U is 21. What is right to vote age in our country? 18 years. So R for 18. Right to vote age in our country is what? 18 years. So R is for 18. Okay, now we have written 4 more. So now overall 14 are done. Now we are left with more 12. Okay, I hope these things will be remembered by you. Middle M13, November 14. Okay, right to vote age is 18 and UPSC is 21. UPSC is 21. Okay sir, like this we will remember it. Now please try to observe these students. With some visualization we will try to see. F6. The place value of F is 6. Fix 6 or remember it as F6. This is little bit tough. Overall during the course of learning we will remember it. No doubt in that, fine. Next is G7 nations. In the recent time also we know G7. G7 nations are there. So G7. Please observe this H. When I close it here and here, what it looks like? It looks like a 8. Yes sir, it looks like 8. H8. Now in English we can write I in this manner, right? In some particular type of writing, right? So if you observe carefully, what it I becomes what here for me? I9. I is for 9. Okay sir. In AJOT, J will be covered. Now please see this one, K11. In IPL, earlier we used to have one cricket team. What it is? Kings 11 Punjab. Now it was changed to Punjab Kings, that is secondary. But K11, Kings 11 Punjab or K11. Okay, next L12. Okay, this is little bit difficult. Okay, fine, we will see it later. L12. Okay, now see here, November 14 we have done. Now see here students, right from our childhood, how frequently we use ABCD? In the same manner, we will use PQRS, right? To represent anything, like to represent points on a line or to represent the vertices of a square, rectangle, whatever it may be. How frequently we use ABCD? In the same manner we use for PQRS. So try to remember P as 16, P16, and the remaining things. Anyway, R and R is right to voltage, you will remember like that, or else see here students, in a flow PQRS, P16, QRS, it will become what? 17, 18 and 19. PQRS, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, slowly, we will remember it. Next T20, U, just now we have seen UPSC, minimum age to attempt UPSC is 21. So U is for 21, sir. Okay, good, superb. Now, please observe this three students. Please observe these three. Just by observation, you can tell that one. Please observe this one. V 22, W 23, X. What it is? 24. What it is? 24. 22, 23, 24. Okay, by visualization, please try to remember this one. Just watch it for once, then you will remember it for time. Okay, 1, 2, 22, 1, 2, 3, 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 24. In each OT, Y will be covered. Now, as of now, you will be able to remember 20 alphabets quickly. Okay, but during the course of learning, after you used to practice for some time, definitely you will remember all the 26 alphabets. There is no doubt in that. You need not to think too much about that or do this thing, that thing and all those things. Okay, generally. Now see here students, now generally we will make a quick revision of that one. What is the place value for N? 14, November 14, sir. What is the place value for R? 18, right to voltage is 18. What is the place value for V? We will have 2 dots in V, so it will become 22, sir. What is the place value for P? That is the only thing you remember it. P is 16. P16. Okay, sir, P16, that is also fine. Next alphabet, what is the place value for K? 11, Kings 11, Punjab. What is the place value for I? I9. I9. I is 9. I looks like 9. Okay, right. Now, what is the place value for F? 6. Fix 6. Remember it as fix 6. Okay, L12. L12, please try to remember it. LN12. L12. Okay, now what is the place value for U? 21, sir. UPSC minimum age is 21 years. Okay, good. What is the place value for Y? 25. Last but one you can remember, or else in each OT also it is a multiple of 5. So Y is 25. What is the place value for T? 20. T20. T20 cricket match. So T20, sir. What is the place value for H? 8. When I close top and bottom, it looks like 8. So it is 8, sir. So the place value is 8. So like this. What is the place value for S? S19. Why? Because PQRS in that history also we have that 19. What is the place value for M? 13. Middle 13. Like this. Out of 26 alphabets, as of now, you might remember around only 20 to 21. No problem. While practicing or doing some exercises, definitely you will remember all the 26 alphabets, and it is mandatory that you should remember it also. At any cost, you should know the place values of alphabets from left to right. I am stressing on it. That is very, very important. Why? Because sometimes the questions will be asked based on left to right, and sometimes they will be asked from right to left. No need to learn from right to left, but please learn from left to right. This place values plays very, 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 very important role while solving the problems, students. Okay, you should not neglect it. You should remember all the place values perfectly. Okay, sir. Sir, we have learnt the place values from left to right. Good, superb. Okay. Now, if they ask us or the question is based on right to left, then what we need to do? Now, we will see that we know that A is the first alphabet from the starting, and A is the 26th alphabet from the right side, right? From left, A is the first alphabet, and from the right side, A is the 26th alphabet. When you see B is the second alphabet from the left, and the same B, when you start writing from the right side, it will become what? 25th alphabet. If you see C, it is third alphabet, and from the right side, it will become what? 24th. And this process continues, right? And when you observe carefully, Y will become the 25th alphabet from the left side, and the same Y will become second alphabet from the right side. And when it comes to Z will become what for us? Z will become the 26th alphabet from the left, and the same Z will become first alphabet from the right. Yes, sir. Now, please observe, there is one thing constant here. What is it constant? Please observe carefully. The sum of left rank plus right rank. What it is here? If you observe carefully, what is its sum? 27. What is its sum? 27. What is its sum? 27. And similarly, here 27 and here 27. That means what? That means what? The position of any alphabet from left side plus the position of the same alphabet from right side is equal to what? 27. Is equal to what? 27. That means the position of the alphabet from left side plus position of the alphabet from right side will be always equal to what? 27. Will be always equal to what? 27. Okay. Just now we have learnt all the place values from the left side, right? Just now we have learnt all the place values from left side. For example, if I want any place value, why? Because students, see, we have learnt that R is 18th from the left side. Yes, sir. Now the same R, what will happen from the right side? The same R will become what? Very simple. 27 minus 18. 27 minus 18. That will become what? R will become the 9th alphabet from the right side. 9th alphabet. Sir, how did you tell? By using this concept. Left, what it is? 18. So right, we don't know. I need to from the right side. So that will become 27. So when I send 18 to that side, it will become what? 27 minus 18. It becomes what? 19. Take H. Sir, H is 8th alphabet from left side. If I want to tell what is the position of H from the right side, what I will do? 27 minus 8. It will become what? 19th alphabet. Understood? This is how we will tell the place values of alphabets from the right side. Just remember the place values from left side, okay? And we will simply subtract this left value from 27, always 27. Why only 27, sir? Means this is the reason. This is the reason we will subtract simply the left rank from 27 to get the right rank. Okay, to get the right rank, we will simply subtract it from the left side. So this is how we will find the place values of any alphabet from the right side. Okay, okay, sir, good. Now students, while solving, what happens here is sometimes, not in this alphabet test especially, later we will see the concepts like coding and decoding, and we will see the concepts like series. In that cases, what happens is sometimes we need to find the 30th alphabet. Sir, actually we have only 26 alphabets. Then you are telling that we need to find the 30th alphabet. How it will be possible? See students, we will always consider the alphabets in a circular manner. So what happens? It starts with A, B and so on. It ends with Z, right? So up to here it will become 26, and once again A will become 27th alphabet, B becomes 28th alphabet, C becomes 29th alphabet, and D becomes for us the 30th alphabet. D becomes the 30th alphabet. That means we will always consider our alphabets in a circular manner, and based on that only we will solve the problems. Okay, based on that only. And remember, Z is the 26th alphabet and as well as Z is the 0th alphabet. Similar to our clock. In wall clock, what is the 0? It is 12. What is 12? It is also 12. So start and end will be same. Similar to our, if I see it in degrees, 0 degrees or 360 degrees, both are same. Yes, sir. Similarly, 12 o'clock and 0 o'clock both are same. Yes, sir. In the same manner, Z is the 26th alphabet and the same Z is also 0th alphabet. Okay, please remember this one carefully. Z is 26th as well as Z is 0th. Sir, this is just a D. So you have written up to D and you have found it. For example, if I want to find the 42nd alphabet, then how I need to find the 42nd alphabet? Very simple, students. So in one round, how many alphabets will we have? 26. So 42 minus 26. 42 minus 26, what it becomes? 16. What is the 16th alphabet for me? P. P is the 16th alphabet for me. So this is how you need to tell the alphabets positions. So we will consider the alphabets in a circular manner. Yes. And if after finishing one circle, once again 27 will become A and so on, it will continue. And Z will be the 26th alphabet as well as the 0th alphabet. Okay. If you know the place value from left, easily you can tell it from right. What is the place value of U from right side? What is the place value of U from right side? From left, it is 21. UPSC 21, sir. Yes. From right side means what I will do? 27 minus 21. It becomes what? 6th. So from the right side, U will be the 6th alphabet. From the right side, U will be the 6th alphabet. Similarly, if I want to tell what is the place value of N from right side, N is the 14th, November 14. N is the 14th alphabet from left. from left. Then to get it from right, what I will do? 27 minus 14. It will become what? 13th. So N will become the 13th alphabet from the right side. 13th alphabet from the right side. So this is how you remember the place values of all alphabets from left to right and right to left. You should know both the values, students. But for your remembrance, just remember left to right. Easily you can tell it from right to left. Easily you can tell it from right to left by subtracting it from 27. 27. This is the basic and important thing. And next, please see here, we will call it as exactly opposite pairs. See here, AZ, BY, CX, DW, EV, FU, GT, HS, IR, JQ, KP, LO, MN. Now, these are exactly opposite. That means what? I have written the first 13 alphabets and from reverse, and I have written the next 13. Now, please observe this one, students. M and N, we have a man here. Okay, sir, we have a man and we will have a boy. B, O, Y. B and Y are opposite to each other. M and N are opposite to each other. Exactly opposite to each other. Anyway, A and Z are first and last. A and Z are first and last. So, you will remember it. AZ is opposite pair to Z is opposite pair to A. Okay, that is also fine. Now, what about this C and X? Color Xerox. But in place of Xerox, we will take like this. Color Xerox. Take it as CX. C and X are opposite to each other. Next, DW, door and window. Door and window. D and W are opposite to each other. Okay. Now, please see here, GT, Gujarat Titans. IPL team, Gujarat Titans. So, G and T are opposite to each other. Next, HS, Hyderabad, Secunderabad. H and S are opposite pairs to each other. And next, IR, international relations. I and R are opposite to each other. IR, international relations. R is opposite to I and I is opposite to R. Now, Jack and Queen. In playing cards, we have Jack and Queen. Those two are opposite pairs to each other. Next here, once again, we will have this Kings 11 Punjab, KP. Okay, Kings 11 Punjab. Earlier we used to have the IPL team. So, K and P are opposite. See. Now, see here, in love, LOVE. First two are opposite to each other and next two are opposite to each other. L and O are opposite to each other and V and E are opposite to each other. V and E are opposite to each other. Next, for fun. In fun, F and UN are opposite to each other. Sorry, F and U are opposite to each other. F and U are opposite to each other. Now, please see here, out of 26, that means we will get 13 pairs. As of now, if you remember 10 to 11, that is fine. Later we can see. The remaining 2 also easily you will remember it. So, what is the opposite pair to H? Yes, Hyderabad, Secunderabad. What is opposite pair to I? R, international relations. What is the opposite to W? Door, window. D is opposite to W. What is the opposite pair to P? Kings 11 Punjab, KP. K will be opposite to each other. What is the opposite pair to N? M, man, MAN. What is the opposite pair to C? X, color Xerox. In that we will have opposite pair. What is the opposite pair to T? T, Gujarat Titans. G and T are opposite pairs to each other respectively. This is how you need to remember all the opposite pairs. All the opposite pairs, then only easily we will solve the problem. So, students, remember the place values from left to right? Yes. How you should know how to find the place values from right to left? Yes, we know it. And we should know the opposite pairs. Yes, you should definitely know it. Now, based on this only, we will have many questions later while solving the problems. Okay, sir. Now, next, in this alphabet test, we should know few things. Now, we will see. Take this example. Which letter will come 4th to left of 12th from the left? Okay. 4th to left of 12th from left. This is the question they asked us. Which letter will come 4th to left of 12th from left alphabets? What does it tells us? 4th to left. That means from where you will start counting from here. You will find the 12th. First of all, which one I need to find here? 4th to the left or 12th to the left? 12th from the left. Definitely I need to find the 12th from left first. To its I need to find 4th to the left. 4th to the left. Now please observe here students. This is 12th from left. Yes, 12th from left. This is 12th from left. To its left side means what? This is left side and this is right side. Am I correct? This is left side and that is right side. To its, if I want to move to this left direction, should I subtract or should I add? See, anyway, we know only the place values from left to right. Keep that thing in your mind. We know only place values from left to right. In some exceptional case and whenever it is required, then we will use the right to left one. But generally, keep in mind that we know only place values from left to right. From that perspective only tell me. From here, I need to move in this reverse direction. Should I add or subtract? Definitely, we should subtract, sir. If I want to move in rightward direction, what I will do? I would have added it. So, first thing. So, 12th from left to its, I need to find the 4th to the left of it, right? So, what I will do? 12 minus 4. Why, sir? What is the reason? Why? Because I am moving in this backward direction. Assume from left to right means this is forward and this is backward. Now, I am moving backward means what? I am subtracting. So, 12 minus 4, what it becomes? 8. 8th from, what is the 8th alphabet? What is the 8th alphabet, students? From left, H. So, our answer here becomes what? H. So, our answer here becomes what? H. Now, sir, why we are doing like this? We will try to learn it from using the alphabet series as a constant one. Now, see here. First, I need to find the 12th from left, right? So, I will make a range from what I can say F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, something like this. I know F is the 6th alphabet, G is the 7th, H is the 8th, I is the 9th, J is the 10th, K is 11th, L is 12th, 13th, 14 and 15. Okay, sir. Now, what is the 12th alphabet from left side? L, sir. L is the 12th alphabet from left side. Now, to its what I need to do? 4 sides to its left. So, 1, 2, 3 and 4. What I have here? H. H. The same thing we got here. Yes, sir. So, each and every time there is no need to write in this manner, students. Just by from our visualization and by our observation itself, we should tell the answer. First, we need to identify the first thing what we need to do. Here, 4th to left of what? 12th from left. So, first I should locate 12th from left. Okay, 12th from left. To its 4th left means will you move towards left or right? You will move towards left. So, what you will do? Subtract. So, 12 minus 4 it becomes what? 8th from left. It becomes what? 8th from left. What is the 8th alphabet from left, students? What is the 8th alphabet from left? 8th alphabet from left is nothing but H. The same thing if you write it on number line, alphabetical line also, you will get the same thing. But it will waste a lot of time if you keep on writing the alphabets like this. Okay, now we will see the next one. So, now what is the answer for us for this question? H. Which letter will come to the 4th to left of 12th from left? Next one here. Which letter will come to 7th to left of 17th from left? 17th from left. Yes, that means you are checking in this direction. 17th from left. Yes. And you are moving in this direction, right? Opposite to its 7th left. What it is opposite when you are going back means what you will do? Whether you will add or subtract? You will subtract. So, what you will do here? 17 minus 7. What it becomes? 10th from left. What is 10th from left alphabet? In EJOT, J. So, our answer here becomes option D, J. 17th from left and to its 7th to the left. So, that is the reason these two are opposite. So, I am subtracting here. So, overall after cancelling what I will get here? 10th to the left. Okay, next. Which letter will be 6th to the left of the 19th letter from the right end of the alphabet? Now, please observe here. 19th alphabet from the right end. So, that means you will check in this manner, right? Am I correct? 19th alphabet from left right side means this is how you need. To its what I need to find? 6th to the left. Now, here the alphabet is there. To its left means what? Anyway, this direction only. That means you are moving still in the same direction. You are moving still in the same direction. Yes. To its what I need to find? 15th to its left. So, 19th from right. From this direction and still you are moving in the same direction. Now, tell me what you will do. You will add or subtract? Definitely you will add it. So, what it becomes? 19 plus 5. What it is, students? 24th from what? Right side. We are moving in right direction only, right? So, 24th from right. What is 24th from the right side? If I want 24th from right side, very simple. 27 minus 24. What it be? See, from right I should get 24th alphabet. Okay, from left we don't know what alphabet it is, but we know that left plus right is equal to what? 27. We know that left plus right is equal to 27. Yes, sir. Now, right from the right it is what? 24. So, L plus 24 it becomes what? 27. So, here L will become what? 3. From the left side, what is the third alphabet for me? C. From the left side, what is my third alphabet? C. So, my answer here becomes what? Option D. Option D. Okay. Now, please observe carefully here, students. From the right side, 19th alphabet and to its left. To its left. That means in the same direction. You are moving in the same direction, right? See here, whether you are checking from right side or left side, the left and right remains the same. Left and right remains same. We know that alphabets are in this manner, right? And so on, right? Now for F, if I say whether it from left side or right side, my left and right will remain same. It will not be changed. It will not be changed. Whether I tell the rank from right side or whether I tell the left rank from left side, still my left and right will remain same. That is the reason 19th from right and the same left. That means you are moving in the same direction left. Yes, sir. Then obviously overall it is 24th from right. Whether you want left or right, simple, subtract 27 minus 24, third. So third from right, left. What is the third from left? C. So your option is none of these. None of these. Answer is C. Answer is C for us. So answer here is none of these. Next one. Now please see here. Which of the following is the 12th letter to the left of 17th letter from the left end? 17th letter from left end means you will move in this direction. Yes, sir. 17th letter from left end to its 12th letter to the left. That means you will move in once again in this direction only, right? 12th left, 17th left minus, once again I will move in the 12th left. So 17 minus 12, what it becomes? 5th from left. What is 5th alphabet from left, students? EJOT. In EJOT, E is the 5th alphabet from the left. Understood? Just by using this arrow marks, you should understand the concept, students. Okay, next see the next one. Which letter is 17th to the right of 18th letter from right end? 18th letter from right end means you will move in this direction. Yes, sir. 18th letter from right. Okay. To its right. What right? 7th right. To its 7th right. That means you are moving now in this direction, right? That means overall what it becomes what? Minus. So 18 minus 7. What it becomes? 11th from right. We actually don't know what is the 11th from right. So from left I will change this 11th to right. Left. What it becomes? 27 minus 11. What it becomes, students? 27 minus 11 it becomes 16th from left. What is 16th alphabet from left? P. P is the 16th alphabet from left. So our answer here becomes what? P. See, if we move in the same direction we will add it. If we move in opposite directions we will subtract it. Just remember, that's it. Okay, next one. Which letter will come 8th to the left of 22nd from right? Okay, 22nd from right. This is 22nd from right. Okay, sir, good. And they are asking us 8th to the right of. That means what? You will move once again in this direction. Two are in opposite directions. Yes, sir. So 22nd minus 8. What it becomes? 14th from what? Right side. 14th from right, I don't know. But I know it's opposite one. So what I will do? 27 minus 14. That will become what? 13th from left. What is the 13th alphabet from the left side? M. Middle. M is the 13th alphabet from left side. So my answer here becomes 11. My answer here becomes 11. Just read the question carefully and by writing this arrow marks itself, we will get the answer. Next one. Which letter will come 7th to the right of 17th from right? 17th from right means you will see in this direction. Yes, sir. From the right I am drawing the arrow mark to its 7th right. That means once again here. That means what? Subtraction. So 17 minus 7, what it becomes? 10th, and 10th from what? Right. So 10th from right means from left it will become what? It will become 17th from left. Why? Because 27 minus 10, 10 what it becomes? 17. So what is 17th alphabet from left? P is 16. Q will become what? 17. So my answer here becomes Q. My answer here becomes Q. Understood, students? Just by writing these arrows, you should now solve the entire problem. Should solve the entire problem by this arrow directions itself. Okay. Next one. Which letter will come 8th to the left of 10th from right? 10th from right means what? You will move in this direction. Okay. 10th from right. To its 8th left means you will still continue in the same direction, right? Yes, sir. I will continue in the same direction. So what here? 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8, what it becomes? 18th from what? Right. 18th from what? Right. 18th from right means what it becomes? 9th from left. 27 minus 18. 27 minus 18, what it becomes? 9th from left. What is the 9th alphabet from left? I. I is the 9th alphabet from left. So our answer here becomes I. Our answer here becomes I. Understood? Just by arrow marks we should solve it. Next, which letter will come 9th to the right of 10th from left? 10th from left means this is how you will take. 10th from left. Now to its 9th right means you will move in the same direction. Yes, sir, I will move in the same direction. So same direction means what? 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9, it will become what? 19th from left. 19th from left. What is the 19th alphabet from left? S. S is the 19th alphabet from left in PQRS. PQRS. R is 18 and after R we have S. So 19th alphabet is S. Which letter will come 18th to the right of 12th from left? Okay. 12th from left. Okay. To its what I need to find? 18th to its right. That means we are moving in the same direction. Yes, we are moving in the same direction. Now what happened? 12 plus 18. 12 plus 18, what it becomes, students? 30. 12 plus 18, what it becomes? 30. Which letter will come 18 to the right of 12th from left? So what it becomes? 30. Sir, earlier you told that 30th alphabet means D, but we don't have D here, then what? See students, that context is different. See, that circular manner when we will assume means when we are solving questions from coding and decoding, and in that context you can write your answer as a D. But here the context is not the same. Just this is just the positions. He is just speaking only about the position. So do we have the 30th position? No. While solving coding and decoding series, in that cases we will take them as circular manner, but not in this case. So here our answer becomes can't be determined. Here our answer becomes can't be determined. Can't be determined. Next one. Which letter will come 4th to the right of 8th to the left of 12th from right? Now please observe here. So first I need to locate what? 12th from right. 12th from right. Okay. 12th from right. And to its what I need to do? 8th to the left. That means still I am moving in the same direction. Yes. So here 8th. And next I am moving 4th to the right. So understood? 2 times towards left and 1 time towards right. So same logic. So what I will do here? 12 plus 8 minus 4. 12 plus 8 minus 4. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 minus 4 is what? 16. 16th from what? Right. 16th from what? Right. 16th from what? Right. Okay. 16th from right means we don't know. So I will convert it into left. How I will convert? 27 minus 16. What it becomes? 11th from left. What is the 11th alphabet from left? K. King's 11 Punjab. K is the 11th alphabet from left. Now already we have seen. Right? Is this clear? This is how you need to write the solve the question from this alphabet test, students. Just by drawing the arrows you should have the clear idea. Okay? Right? Next one. Now see here directions, each of the following question is based on the following. See anyway here they given us the alphabets in the perfect order only, A to Z. Not an issue. Next, which letter is exactly midway between G and Q in the given alphabets? What is the G's position in alphabets, students? G is the 7th alphabet, sir. Okay. What is Q position? Sir, Q is the 17th alphabet. Yes, sir. Now, how many alphabets are there between G and Q? You will say that 17 minus 7, sir. So, we will have 10. Is this correct? No. Between G and Q, we will have only 9 alphabets. Yes, you can subtract their place values. That is fine. That is fine. But at the same time, subtract minus 1 also. In addition to that, please remember, students. For example, we will start taking the examples of small alphabets. Take A and D. Between A and D, how many alphabets do I have? 2 alphabets, B and C. A is 1, D is 4. If I directly subtract 4 minus 1, what is the result? I will get 3. But how many I have between them? Only 2, right? Okay, sir. One shorter than this one. Next, only by observation, students. Why, sir, we are subtracting minus 1 additional means? Just by observation only. Just by observation only. For example, E and I. E is the 5th alphabet, I is the 9th alphabet. If I say that 9 minus 5, 4 alphabets are there between E and I, now we will check it. E, F, G, H. How many are there for me? Only just 3. So that means what is happening here? 9 minus 5 minus 1, that is equal to 3. So that is the reason directly subtract their place values, fine, but at the same time subtract minus 1 also and an excess 1. The reason is just by observation we can tell that one. Okay, so between G and Q, how many alphabets are there, students? Between G and Q we will have 9 alphabets. 17 minus 7 minus 1, that is 9 alphabets. In 9 alphabets, what is the middle position? Tell me generally. In 9 alphabets, what is the middle position for us? In 9 alphabets, middle position is 5th one, sir. Am I correct or not? How you will tell? Definitely, students, if we have only odd numbers, then only we can tell middle position. For example, if you have 10 numbers, can you tell for us here what is the middle position in 10 positions? No. Why? Because they are even in number. We can tell only middle positions in the case of odd things. So, how you will find means plus 1 by 2. So, 9 plus 1 by 2, what it is? 5th. So, the 5th one will become the middle one here. 5th one will become the middle one. Okay, sir. So, what you can do is, in 2 ways you can do. Either you add plus 5 to G or 7, or you can subtract minus 5 from Q. Anyway, you will get the same answer. So, 7th plus 5, what it becomes? 12th. So, what is the 12th alphabet for me? L. So, our answer is here is L. Or else you can subtract also the same 5 from 17. 17 minus 5, it is 12. The same thing. You can add it to 7 or you can subtract it from 7. Why? Because anyway it is in the middle of L, G and Q. Middle of G and Q. Two things you should remember here, students. One is between any two alphabets. If you want to find the number of alphabets between any two alphabets, subtract their place values as well as do minus 1 as an extra one. Okay. Next, in odd numbers, if you want to find the middle position means n plus 1 by 2. Okay. And then next you can add or subtract it to the either of the numbers. Okay. Next one. Which letter is midway between the 18th letter from left hand? 18th letter from left hand is what? R. Okay. And 10th letter from the right hand. What is 10th letter from the right hand, students? What is 10th letter from the right hand? 10th letter from the right hand. We don't know, sir, actually. So, what I will do? 27 minus 10. What it is? 27 minus 10, 17th. So, Q, right? So, will there be any letter between Q and R? What they are asking? 10th letter from the right hand. How, when the, what letter is, sorry, which letter? This is which letter is midway between 18th letter from the left hand and 10th letter from the right hand. Between Q and R, do we have any alphabet? Between Q and R, do we have any alphabet? No, right? So, our answer here becomes no letter. There will be no letter between Q and R, which is midway between Q and R here. Not none of this. Here we have the option no letter. So, that is the reason we are marking. Instead of no letter, if you have any other thing, then we would have written our answer as none of these here. None of these here. Understood? Right? Next one. The same series A to Z was given. Then which letter in the alphabet is as far as from G as a T is from M? Okay. Now, which letter in alphabet is as far from G as T is from M? You should understand the question properly, students. Far from M. I need to find a letter which is far from M as T is from M. Just tell me T is how far from M? T is how far from M? M is the 13th alphabet and T is the 20th alphabet. M is the 13th alphabet and T is the 20th alphabet. So, 13 plus 7 is 20th alphabet, right? Yes, sir. Then G is the 7th alphabet. G is the 7th alphabet for me. So, to this also I should add plus 7. So, plus 7 means what it becomes? 14th. What is the 14th alphabet for me? N. What is the 14th alphabet for me here? N. Here try to understand which letter in the alphabet is as far from G as T is from M. Between T and M, what is the relation? M, if I add 7 to M, I will get T. Similarly, I should add 7 to G so that what I will get here? I will get N. So, my answer here is N. My answer here is N. So, please be careful and try to understand the question carefully, students. That is very, very important. Okay, right, next one. If the above alphabets are divided into two equal halves, okay, that means A2, when you divide it into two equal halves, where we will have the break? At M and N, between M and N. up to M, one half, and from N onwards, the second half. Okay. N to Z. Which letter is the last letter? Half would become corresponding to the letter J. In the later half. Okay. Now what I am doing is, I am writing them one over the other. That means what actually here happens here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and so on, right? A to M. And N to Z. That means what I will do? N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and I, J. Now please see here, which letter is corresponding to J here for me? W. Which letter is corresponding to J here for me? W. Please try to understand the question, read the question carefully and try to understand it, students. N, O, B, C, D, Q, E, R, F, S, G, T, H, U, I, V, J, W. J, W is corresponding to J. So our answer here becomes D. D. See here, A to M and N to Z. That is the reason. We have written it properly. A to Z and J to N to Z. Okay. Right. Next one. If only the first half of the given alphabets is reversed, how many letters will be there between K and R? Now see, generally the first half of the alphabets are written in reverse. Okay. First half is reversed means from N onwards it remains the same. N, O, P, Q, R, S, and this remains the same. Only the first half is getting reversed. And how many alphabets will be there between K and R? If I reverse the first half, from where it will stop? M, L, right? In reverse order I am writing. M is 13th alphabet, L is 12th, K is the 11th alphabet. Now please observe here, students. Please observe here. And from here onwards I will get A. And then once again N. Now here this is the position. Now K becomes what for me? From the left it becomes what? Third. From the left K becomes what? Third. And when it comes to R, it is unchanged. R will be 18th from left. R will be 18th from left and K is the third from left. How many letters will be there between K and R? Between K and R, what you will see? 18 minus 3 minus 1. Please remember carefully, always between the letters means we should do that minus 1. So what it becomes for me here? 14. So there will be 14 letters between K and R. Only the first half is reversed, whereas the second half is kept as it is. There is no difference in the second half. Next one. If the alphabet is written in the reverse order and every alternate letter starting with Y is dropped. Alphabets are written in reverse order and every alternate are, that means what happens? Y, Z, X, V, T and so on, right? What it is? 26, what it is? 24. From the reverse, they are written in reverse and they are dropped. That means what actually happened here means, if I see from the left side, odd alphabets are dropped down. From the left, when I observe it from the left, odd alphabets are dropped and only the even alphabets are there. Am I correct? Z is 26th from the left, X is 24th from the left, but they are written in reverse order. That is the reason I am writing in reverse. Okay, next. Which letter will be exactly in middle of the remaining letters of the alphabets? Now only I have even alphabets, right? Even alphabets are how many in number? 13, sir. Okay. In these 13 positions, what is the middle position? In 13 positions, 7th is the middle position, sir. 7th is the middle position. So what is the 7th even number? 7th even number is 14. Am I correct? 7th even number is what? 14. 7th even number is, first is 2, second is 4. What means what you will do? You will simply multiply with 2. So what is the 14th alphabet for me? N. N will be the 14th alphabet. So here our answer becomes N. N will be the 14th alphabet. So our answer here becomes what? N, students. Our answer here becomes N. Is it clear? Yes. Next one. Suppose the first and the second letters of English alphabets change places. That means what is happening? B, A. Also the third and fourth. That means what? D, C. The fifth and sixth. That means what it becomes? F, E. And so on. And so on. This is how. In the new alphabet thus formed, which letter would be the 14th? Which letter will be the 14th? See here, students, when it comes to 2 to pairs, they remains the same, right? and they are asking us the 14th. That means 14th will be exchanged with what? 13 and 14, right? 13th and 14th will be exchanged like this. Actual 13 and 14 will be exchanged. That means they are asking us which letter will be 14th. That means my 13th, actual 13 will go to 14, right? So what is the 13th alphabet for me? M. So my answer here becomes what? M. Understood, students? My actual 13th alphabet is M, and this 13th will go to the position of 14th. Because of that reason, M will become what? See, students, if they doesn't mention anything either from left or right, means we always consider it from left. By default, it is left. Here in this case, sir, why you are taking only the 13th from left? Why not 13th from right? If anything is not, if the directions, particular direction is not mentioned, we always consider it from left to right only. We always consider it from left to right. Need not to think too much about this one, students. Very simple and straightforward case only. Okay, right? Next one. We will see the next problem. Which letter will be 6th to the left of 19th letter from the right end of the alphabet? Okay. 16th, already we solved the similar one. 6th to the left of 19th letter from right end. 19th letter from right end means you will write from it. Yes, sir. 19th from to its what? I need to find the 6th left. 6th left. Moving in the same direction. Yes. 19 plus 6. What it becomes? 25th from right. Why? Because we are writing it from right, right? The last change is from right. So what is the 25th from right? We know it directly. What it is? 25th from right, it will be B. 25th from right is B. So our answer here becomes none of these, none of these, none of these. Okay, next one. Which of the following is 12th letter to the left of 17th letter from the left end? Okay, 12th letter to the left of 17th letter from the left end. 17th letter from left end means you will write from here. Yes. To its 12th left means what it will move? You will move here, right? So 17 minus 12, what it becomes? 5th. So what is 5th from left? 5th from left is E. So our answer here becomes option A. Option A. Next one. Which letter is 7th to the right of the 18th letter from the right end of alphabets? So 18th letter from right end. This is 18th letter from right end. And to its what I should move? 7th right. So I will move in the same direction. Yes, we will move in the same direction. So that means what happens for me? 18 minus 7, it will become what? 11th from right. We don't know what actually the 11th from right is, but we know how to find it from left. What it becomes? 27 minus 11. What it becomes? 16th from left. What is the 16th alphabet from left side? What is the 16th alphabet from left side? It is nothing but P. P is the 16th alphabet from left side, right? Next one. Pause the video and try to solve all these questions, students, quickly. Make it fast. Try to solve these questions. These are very, very important. Now see here. Each of the following question is based on the following alphabets A to Z. They are written perfectly, no doubt in that. Next, if the order of the English alphabets is reversed, then which letter would be exactly in the middle? See, total 26 alphabets are there. If we write it from straightforward manner or in the reverse manner also, can we specially say this is the middle position? 26 is even in number. Can we identify a middle position in even numbers? No. So because of that reason, none of this. Actually, it should be can't be determined. But here we have an option none of this. So our answer here becomes none of these. Next one. If the above alphabets is written in reverse order, which will be the 88th letter to the right of O? So first the alphabets are written in reverse order. Alphabets are written in reverse order. So Z will become first and so on. A will become the 26th. Okay, sir. Okay, next. If the above alphabet is written, which will be the 8th letter to the right of O? 8th letter to the right of O. O, somewhere O will be there. To its right side, I should find the 8th. First of all, I should find what is the O's position in this one from left. From left, I need to find what is the O's position, or else, sir, it is confusing for us, we cannot find it. Means what we will do is simply change the directions. So completely, actually they asked us what? What did they ask us in the question? Written in reverse. We need to find 18th letter to the right of, 8th letter to the right of O, right? So please find out 8th letter to the left of O. 8th letter to the left of O. Then that will be our answer in the perfect English alphabets. See, actually I need to find 8th letter to the right of O. So we don't know from what is the O's position in reverse order. But I know what is the O's position in perfect, left to right. What it is O's position for me? 15th. Yes, sir. From what? Left to right. It is from left to right. Actually, O is 15th from. But when I reverse it, it will not become 15th. Okay, understood? Okay. Now to its left 8th. 15 minus 8, what it becomes? 7. So what is 7th alphabet for me? What is the 7th alphabet for me? 7th alphabet is G. G7 nation. So my answer here will become option B, G. Actually, they asked me to find 8th letter to the right of O. Sir, but we found 8th letter to the left of O here. Why? Why? Because the alphabets are written in reverse order. So instead of changing the entire alphabets, I am simply changing the question. Okay, I am simply changing my approach. Instead of finding the left, I am finding the right. That is the only difference which we will make here. Next one. In the above alphabets is written in reverse order, which will be the 5th letter to the left of 9th letter from the right. Okay. Now see here, first of all, 9th letter from the right. Why I will change it to left? Why, sir? What is the reason? Why? Because alphabets are written in reverse order. To avoid that confusion, I know only from left to right. I don't know from right to left. It will confuse me a lot. Because of that reason, this right will become left. And next, here I have left. I will change this to what? Right. I will change this to right. And this is the thing. Okay. Now first, I changed the question. That is right and this is left. Now, what is the 9th letter from right? Now 9th letter from right means, from left means what? I will move in this direction. 9th from left. And to its 5th right. To its 5th right means I will move in the same direction. 5th right means I will move in the same direction. So 9 plus 5, what it becomes? 14th from left. What is 14th from left? N. So my answer is N. If you write it and solve it also, you will get the same answer, students. Just if the alphabets are written in reverse order as an whole. See, sometimes there will be some questions that first half is reversed, second half is reversed. In that cases, don't do this type of things. All the alphabets are written in reverse order. That is the reason I am changing left to right and right to left and solving it. Understood? Understood? And why? Because I know that values very effectively and I can tell the values quickly. So I am doing that one. Else you should not do. If only first half is reversed or second half reversed means, just note it down and do the process. But if all the alphabets are reversed means, then you can change to left to right and right to left and solve it. Okay, next. If the above alphabets is written in reverse order, what will be the 4th letter to the right means what I will do here? I will make it to left. I will make it to left. From the left means what I will do? I will make it to right. So 13th letter from right. 13th letter from right means from here I will find the 13th from right. And to its what I need to find? 4th letter to its left. 4th letter to its left means still I will move in the same direction. So 13 plus 4, what it becomes? 17th from what? Right. 17th from right means 10th from left. What is 10th from left, students? J. So my answer here will become J. So my answer here becomes J. This is how you need to solve the problems. Based on the requirement, sometimes we will find from right to left and left to right and it will change, but our core concept remains the same. Okay, right? Next one. Written as A, that means simply they are skipping B, C. All the odd alphabets are written. Am I correct? A to Y are written. Okay. Dropping each alternate letter, leaving blank spaces, and then all the blanks are filled with the remaining letters in reverse order. Okay. Filled with remaining letters in reverse order. So first what we have done is odd one are written perfectly and even one are written in reverse order. Am I correct or not? A, C, E. That means odd positions are not at all disturbed. Only the even positions are disturbed. Only the even positions are disturbed. Z is 26th. We know that X is 2nd. Only the even one are disturbed. Odd are not at all disturbed here. Okay. Which letter is to the right of 16th letter from the left corner? Usually from 16th from left, whether it gets disturbed or not? Yes, sir, it gets disturbed. Why? Because it was written in reverse order. 16th is an even number. 16th is an even number. So what actually the 16th alphabet in general, it should be an what? P. 16th alphabet should be what? In general P. But that one was disturbed for me here. That one was disturbed for me here. Now please see here, 24th will come to 4. Please observe one thing. 2 will go to 26. 24th will come to 4. Am I correct or not? Just for your knowledge I am writing. When it comes to V, it will come to 6th. That means what? Sum is becoming what here? 28, right? Sum is becoming what? 28. Yes sir, sum is becoming 28. Now please observe here, 16th one. 16th one means to become sum as 28, what it should become? 12, right? 12 one. So 12th one, actual 12th alphabet is what for me? 16th from right. So what is the actual 12th one? What is the actual 12th one? See, I have written it a little bit wrongly. Here the correct position is 12th. So, sorry, 16th is the correct position. So from the reverse, I will become 12th. What is the 12th alphabet for me? L. So my answer here will become what? L. But the options are not there. I think the options were not there. L will be my answer here. From the left corner, If you want, you can write it also, you will get the same answer, students. Please see here. Only I am writing the even one. So Z, X, V, T, R, P, N. So what happens to Z? Z will become the second, 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th, 12th, 14th and 16th. What is the 16th alphabet for me? L. L is the 16th alphabet. Here the options were not given, no need to worry. Option is L. L will be the correct answer. L will be the correct answer. Why? Because sum is becoming what? 28. Sum is becoming 28. So I want 16th one, right? To become the sum 28, what it is? 12. So what is the 12th alphabet for me? L. So L is the 12th alphabet if they are written in reverse order. Okay, understood. Now see the next question. Which letters are exactly in the middle of the 19th letter from the left and 14th letter from the right end? Okay, 19th letter from left. Are the odd letters changed? No. What is the 19th letter from left? 19th letter from left is yes. Okay. And next 14th from right end. 14th from right end means 13th from left. 14th from right hand means what? 13th from left. What is the 13th alphabet from left? M. This is 13 and this is what for me? 19. 13 and 19. How many letters or alphabets are there between 13 and 19? 5 are there. In that odd position will become what? 13 and 19. 19 minus 13 minus 1. So how many are there between the S and M and 13? M and S, there are 5 alphabets. In these 5 alphabets, what is the middle position? Third alphabet. That means what? Either you can add 3 to M or subtract 3 from S. So that means 16th alphabet. So just now we calculated. What is the 16th alphabet? It is nothing but L. 16th alphabet is L. Just now we calculated it. That is the reason I am writing here directly. If not, I would have solved that one. So the 16th alphabet for me here is what? L. 16th alphabet for me here is L. Next, which letter would be placed between Q and S? Q is 17th alphabet. S is what for me? 19th alphabet. So 18th one. Just now we calculated. 16th one is L. So 18th one. 18 plus sum should be what? 20, right? 28, right? To become sum 28, what I should be added here? 10. So what is 10th alphabet for me? J. So my answer here will become J. Just identify the pattern, students. You should recognize the pattern. Here what is happening means the even sum is becoming 28 always. So with that logic, 18, what it should be added to 18? 10. So 28th alphabet, 28 to become it should be 10. So 10th alphabet for me is J. So here our answer becomes J. This is how you need to solve the problems. This concept is very, very important, and if you are really good in analyzing these things, you will get the answer in just 15 to 20 seconds. If not, it will take a lot of time, students. So please be careful and cautious while solving these type of problems. They are little bit tricky and easy also. If you don't practice it and directly go and try to attempt it, sometimes there is a high chance of getting confused. So please be careful, right? So these are the questions from our alphabet series, students, alphabet test, and we have some more questions based on these alphabets which we will see in our next video. Thank you very much.